Alam mo ba na merong oversupply ng condominium here in Metro Manila? Yes, you heard it right. At hindi lahat ng real estate sellers open pag-usapan to. Is this a bad news or opportunity? Hey, it's Lance time and let's talk about oversupply of condominium here in Metro Manila. Kapag sinabing oversupply of condominium, ibig sabihin nito mas maraming available condo units kaysa sa actual buyers. Pero ang tanong, bakit merong oversupply? And here's the 6 possible cause kung bakit merong oversupply ng condominium here in Metro Manila. Number 1, aggressive project launches. Over the past years, developers launched many projects expecting na tuloy-tuloy ang strong demand. Ang assumption, tuloy-tuloy ang buyers, investors, at growth. Number 2, buyer take-up slowdown. Mas naging maingat ang buyers, mas naging choosy, at mas maraming options ang available. Number 3, product mismatch. Maraming condos ang na-launch na hindi swak sa budget or lifestyle ng end users. Too small, too expensive, or hindi practical para sa long-term living. Number 4, higher interest rates. Naging mas mahal ang housing loans, kaya maraming buyers ang nag-pause or naghintay muna. Number 5, shift in buyer's preference. Post-pandemic, mas maraming buyers ang nag-shift to houses or suburban living, kaya bumagal ang demand sa ilang urban condo areas. And number 6, before that, please take note that this is just one of the contributing factors but not the overall cause of oversupply of condominium. POGO exit. At yes, nakadagdag din ang POGO exit lalo na sa areas na heavily dependent sa rental demand. So ngayon, ang tanong, is this the best time to buy a property? The answer is yes. Mas maraming options, mas negotiable ang terms, mas flexible ang payment schemes. Developers are offering longer payment terms, lower monthly amortization, bigger discounts and promos, and low spot down payment. Also, banks are offering promos when it comes to interest rate. Pero just to be clear lang ha, oversupply does not mean nabababa yung value ng property mo. What it means is this: developers are adjusting to meet real demand. And this is where the proper guidance comes in. If you are planning to buy a property and you want to understand which properties make sense right now at alin ang dapat iwasan, feel free to reach out or send a message. Mas okay ang well-informed kaysa padalos-dalos. Remember that this is a big purchase. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave it in the comments. If you learned something today, I hope it's okay to click that like button and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel as I'll be uploading more in the future just for you. This is Lance reminding you to always do smart living. See you!